don't say Biggie. Ooh, those beautiful streets of Macau. Walking down Rua de São Miguel.
Okay, we're in Macau. This is St. Michael Street, after the Archangel. This one goes up into the hills a little bit. Boa Vista, there's some interesting stuff. This is where our target street's going to be, right here. So it kind of curves around a little bit. And then this whole area is called the Lazarus District. So you can see some references to that. So all the way down this way it goes down and then back up, and that's São Januário Hospital up in that area. And then St. Lazarus, there's different stuff that's connected to that down this way. But you can see that little thing up that way. And then this is another Boa Vista, and it goes up into the hills. So we're going to put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So St. Michael Street, this area, I think it was built maybe 1800s. So this is like the Lazarus District, basically. So this was all built when Macau started spreading outward. And there was a lot of stuff happening to how that happened. So yeah, that goes to São Januário Hospital up on the hill. So you go down and back up. That is the Lazarus District. That's St. Joe's Seminary up there, I think is the name. And these little hills, they kind of eventually lead up to Gia Hill, Mount Fortress. Not Gia Hill, Mount Fortress. Mount Fortress overlooks Sao Paulo Ruin, which is a major tourist site. So now as we kind of curve, we can see the curvature of it. I'm gonna just capture that as well because that's part of the street. So it just kind of curves this way and goes around like that. So yeah, and in this area there's a lot of like kind of boutique stuff and kind of artist studios and stuff like that. So we'll see them a little bit more on the other streets of Lazarus District, but we'll probably see a few in this area. Let me just see, I'm gonna just go by that way real quick so now you can kind of see up into the hills a little bit. So that's kind of cool, like all of these buildings. Actually, the whole structure is kind of interesting because I think it's probably 6 or 7 stories high, and a lot of them will have rooftops up at the top. So you might see themes like that. I'm gonna walk into the middle of the street. Now we can see a little bit of both sides. And this actually turns into a different street up there in a little bit, but we'll kind of include some of that just to give you a better context of everything. These are kind of interesting. This is a little parking garage, but that is another layer. So that's another street. That street is right there. So those start at that spot, even though they look like they're. And now we're seeing St. Lazarus Church District. So this is like a creative industry spot. There's the sign right there. So you'll start seeing more of that Let's see. This looks kind of interesting. That's kind of an older feel, the doors. So a lot of the doors in this area, they'll have like more of a 1800s. Actually, I'm just I don't know that for 100% fact, but a lot of United States has like 1800s architecture. They really built nice cities in the late 1800s, and there's like little remnants of that here. Of course, the United States doesn't really build like that anymore, but like a lot of those classic cities that were once beautiful. So this is how this connects into this. So this goes up to the hospital, and then that's why some of those other ones are up a little bit. Let me just go up slightly. So we've basically finished our street, and then these little ones, like this would have been a little house on the hillside, and then these would be built into the city, and this would go up. And yeah, basically Kyungwoo Hospital. We basically say Kyungwoo Hospital is up there. So now this particular street is St. Michael, Rua de São Miguel, and that ends that street. But then here you can see how behind me there's a hill, and then it goes like that. Goes all the way up and down. It's kind of interesting because there's like a street in the middle called Campo Street, Rua de Campo. And that one is like at the very bottom, and it's kind of feels like you wish you could just go up because it'd be up and down, but you cannot. That Campo kind of blocks it, and then you have to do that overpass in the middle there. So, okay. Actually looks like San Miguel goes a little bit further. So, actually that still says Rua de San Miguel, so this is actually St. Michael's a little bit further to it. So now you can capture. This looks really nice with this red and white tile, and that looks beautiful as well. So we're still on our street. So we have Rua de St. Michael right there. You have that view, and then this is also Rua de St. Michael, San Miguel. So that's, so you can see the street sign right there. It's nice up in this angle. And up here you also have all these beautiful colonial looking buildings. And then we also have all the black and white tiles as well in this area. So we're gonna go a little bit further. Looks like a car is kind of blocking, maybe gonna park. So I kind of want to walk into this street and capture it. So I have the beautiful, what's that called? Veranda windows? It's a coffee shop. So let's see, I guess he couldn't park in there. That's illegal parking anyways. He would have blocked that door, but it's locked. So that is a little space of a coffee shop right there that we walked by. And then I'm kind of walk and capture this side too. So now we have more of this yellow. So there's kind of a contrast right here. So that is a contrast. So all those buildings are like that. And then over here, and there's that coffee shop as well. And then here is all the yellow buildings. And that kind of continues up. So we'll see if we can walk into that a little bit. That car go by. I'm gonna try to capture this so I can see more of that architecture like that, and then the contrast. Yeah, it's a really nice building. And it looks like they're kind of, there's some things opening right there, but it looks like a lot of them are kind of closed. That's closed, that's closed, that's closed. And this is this side. So a lot of these look like they need some revitalization. You actually can see through that. So I can see through this one, and the tree is growing up on the top. So that's kind of unfortunate. Hopefully they can put some money into that and make it So you can see this one actually turns into a different street, all the yellow there. But it's all part of the Lazarus district is where we're at. So that's all San Miguel. And then this is St. Lazarus Church Street, it's called. Iglesia. So it goes all the way down that way, and then you can also see that goes up and down. Okay, so we're gonna end this video. I guess we'll end it right here. We'll just kind of slowly walk. And there's San Miguel. We'll just end it right there. Really photogenic street.